A blessed good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my plain white rice. Okay guys, so you're going to need two simple ingredients, some regular white rice and butter. If you're a person that like to use salt in your rice, you can add salt to your rice, but I don't like salt in my rice, so I'm just using the rice and the butter. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and wash your rice thoroughly until the water runs clear. Wash it as many times as you have to. Now I like to use the bowl at the bottom because it guides me and it shows me how clear the water is. If you're just washing the rice in the sink without the bowl, it's kind of hard to tell, you know, when your rice is clean. So the bowl helps to guide me, and that's the reason for using it. So now once this is all washed, and like you see, the water is getting clearer and clearer as I wash the rice. Once it is clear, we just proceed to the next step. So now to a pot of boiling water, I will add my rice, give it a stir, and allow this to go until the grains are fully cooked. You don't want it overcooked, just until it's fully cooked. Now if you like to add salt to your rice, this is the time when you want to add it, and just allow this to go. This should take no longer than about 12 to 15 minutes. Once the rice is fully cooked, we will now go ahead and strain the rice. This is how I was taught to cook rice ever since I was a child, and this is how I cook my rice, plain rice, unless it's like seasoned rice or rice and peas or whatever. This is the way I cook my rice. So once you rinse it thoroughly, washing away a lot of that starch, we will place it back on the stove. Add our butter, toss it a little bit, let it coat nicely with that butter. Then we will cover this, and you will lower your heat to the lowest and allow this to steam for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will show you guys the finished product. After about 10 minutes, my rice is now done. I can plate this up and enjoy. This, to me, in my opinion, is a healthier way to cook your rice. You don't have all that starch. We wash away most of the starch in the beginning and at the end. And yeah, this is how I cook my plain white rice. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.